Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. The car featured here today is a Rimac Nevera R, a fully electric hypercar. The specs on this car makes this one of the fastest cars in the world, generating just over 2100 horsepower and a 256 mile per hour top speed. There's a reason that Bugatti and Rimac are collaborating. Mate Rimac is the pride of Croatia in developing this car. 0 to 60 time of just 1.8 seconds. This car is generating a price of $2.5 million. With this much carbon fiber, it is a track weapon. Subscribe today.